I hate you more.
I hate you no matter what.
Yeah, well, I'd hate you even if I didn't hate you.
Patrick, can you shut the fuck up?
Ngiyazodlala kufika inkuluphelo uphapha sinjama kuyasesiyasiphatha khalama ndiyasesiyababa hayi bafana sikhuphula usini wamahlanya ngithi le rap sekuyishaya ngona amarasta adla inyama okhile sketch the point ukuthi ngenze le ngoma yesi sayiyo elode ngiyesi ngerap ngenqoba nolimi lwakhiwe ngeshow phela akekho ngithitha ngilinde nje uzongibiza bese ngathuma ngiyamdisa bese-ke uyangiziba hamba e-social media ayinamashaya yangidini irap ayisekho mnani phela sesicula netabani abafana basoft ngiyakutshela sibani sibaphelelwe isosi mngani ayabazi sasibarephe ngani okaza was busy in the kitchen ngimchitha wena we eating amachitha going some cities and summer wearing bikinis what the fuck.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Okay, now let's get to the real facts and talk about the past. Phela ngikhule ngijima ngosimele ukubeka inkani yami uthi ngempama ungayithola mulele ngiyahlala kawusondele eduze uzongoleka indlela ngizwe ngahle benye kuthiwa mina ngiyihlonga nje bathi ntombi yakubibona mina ifuna ukuvula umlenze manje wena uthi le nto engicabanga ngivele ngiyenze hayi mina ngizefela i-hip hop skate my dice ngishayele pop angifuni imali mina ngishaya ingoma ngisazondihlukumeza biza amaphoyisa sifake west cover mataya pass the mic kusuka abafana drop the beat iphuma amakhanda hayi ngiyabhala kubuhlungu isandla